Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So in this session, we'll solve the exercise problems based on coordinate geometry. The first exercise. This first exercise is based on distance formula, children. Right? Now the question is find the distance between the following pair of points. So you need to find the distance between the given pair of points. Now, for to solve this problem, we need a distance formula. Now, what is the distance formula? So distance formula is d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 y1 y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula to find the distance between the two points, children. Two given pair of points, right? Now what is the formula? Distance d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, so we have given pair of points. Take that pair of points. What is the pair of points, children? 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1, right? 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. Now just write the first point as x1 y1, the second point as y1, and the second x2 and y2. So you need to just write down as x1 y1 x2 y2 to the given pair of points, children. Now just observe the formula. D is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here we need x2, x1, y2 and y1. And for the given pair of points, just apply the first one as x1, y1 and second one as a x2 and y2. And just apply this data to this formula and simplify it. You'll get the distance between the given points. Now, D is equals to square root of. Now, what is the value of x2? The x2 is nothing but 4 minus what is x1? The x1 is 2 whole square plus what is y2? Y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3 whole square. Right, children? Now just subtract it. D is equals to square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus, so 1 minus 3 is 2. Sign of a biggest number is minus 2 whole square, right? So therefore now simplify it. So D is equals to square root of, what is the value of 2 square? 2 square is 4 plus, what is minus 2 square? Already I had told you people, any minus square will be plus. So minus 2 square is plus 4. So therefore D is equals to square root of 8. So this is the value and this is the distance between the given pair of points. How much? 2, D is equals to 2 root 2 units. And this is how we will find the distance between two pair of points, children. So now the second problem is the given points are minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Now let me write the second one as a of minus 5 comma 7 and b of minus 1 comma 3, where a and b are called as two coordinate points. We need to find the distance between these 2 points A and B, right? I'll write let, right? Now what is the distance formula? That already you have learned, right? Now the distance formula is D equals, so square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right, children? Here a of I can write this as a of minus 5 comma 7, b of minus 1 comma 3 as distance as ab. Nothing but ab is nothing but the distance between the two coordinate points a and b. So nothing but I can write d, instead of d I can write ab, right? Now the distance formula says square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, children. Now just I'll write the a of minus 5 comma 7 as the first one as x1 y1 and the second one as b of minus 1 comma 3 as x2 y2, right? Now just apply the value here, this value here, right? So what is x2? ab, the square root of what is x2? x2 is minus 1 minus what is x1? x1 is minus 5 whole square, right? Plus what is y2, children? y2 is 3 minus y1 is 7 whole square. Now I'll again explain this the same thing. The distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here you need x1 x2 y1 y2 and we are having the values and I'm applying the values to the place of x1 y1 x2 y2 and I'm simplifying this, right? So now AB equals square root of, so keep the minus 1 as it is first. Minus into minus is plus, so therefore write plus 5 whole square plus. Now just observe this. So subtract 3 minus 7. So what is 3 minus 7? It's 4. You need to subtract it. 3 minus 7 minus 3 is 3 minus 7 is 4, and also you need to write down the sign of a biggest number. So the biggest number is 7, the sign is minus, so therefore minus 4 whole square, right? Now AB is equals to square root of, so now minus into plus is minus, you need to subtract. So if you subtract 5 minus 1 is 4, and also you need to write down the sign of a biggest number. The sign of a biggest number is plus, so therefore plus 4 whole square is equals, plus plus, so what is minus 4 square? I said already, children, any minus square will be plus, so therefore 4 square is 16, minus 4 square is also 16, so therefore AB is equals to 4 square is again 16 plus 16, that's equals to square root of 16 plus 16 is 32. Children, root 32 can be written in the form of 16 into 2. 16 2 is 32. So what is the square root of 16? The square root of 16 is 4. So therefore I can take out the square root for 16. So therefore I am writing the 32 as 16 2s. Right, children? Now what is the square root of 16, children? The square root of 16 is 4. So I can take out the 4 outside, so therefore I can write this as 16 square root is 4, root the remaining is 2, so therefore the answer is 4 root 2. So what is the distance between AB? The distance between the AB is nothing but AB is equals to 4 root 2 units. So thank you, children. Okay, I'll meet you in the next video.